Land record recording in the state of Missouri began before the first counties of Missouri were created in 1812. Prior to 1812, land registrars were appointed to maintain the integrity of real estate transactions based on English law. This system was put in place to ensure that the rights of persons who first made claims to property were maintained. Present day, in the state of Missouri, most recorders of deeds are elected county officials. However, in some counties, the responsibilities are assigned to an appointed official, and in others, the functions of the recorder of deeds are a responsibility of the circuit clerk. The recorder of deeds maintains a permanent record of documents such as deeds, a written instrument that transfers title to real property, mortgages, a legal document that is used to pledge real property as security from an owner's land, liens, an encumbrance, charge, or claim upon property, usually to help ensure the payment of trust deeds, taxes, special assessments, or other debts. Releases, a legal document or a clause within a legal document which permits, upon payment of a specific sum, the release of certain parcels of a property from the lien against the property. Plats, the map included with a title policy to show the insured property. A plat is also a plan or chart of a city or town showing individual blocks. Military discharges, a legal military document that is provided to a member of the armed forces to indicate the release from their obligation to serve. Marriage licenses. The recorder of deeds is also the county office responsible for issuing marriage licenses throughout the state. These documents can be researched to determine the history of the land and the chain of title of any property within the jurisdiction of each county. The Recorder of Deeds offices, and the documents they record, play a major role within the overall real estate industry. A title deed issued and registered within the Recorder of Deeds office is significant to all parties who hold or want to acquire the rights to real property. These documents provide a certainty of ownership and are the basis for investment of money in both commercial and residential use each year. Each Recorder of Deeds office should be considered a primary source for information related to real property chain of title. Given that the documents maintained in the recorder's offices are considered the official source for these records, recorders and/or their employees take important steps to ensure the accuracy of indexed information and make certain that the index is maintained in a meticulous manner. Most documents recorded within the Recorder of Deeds office are considered public records and, as such, they are openly available for public viewing, either in the office or via enhanced remote access. Exceptions to this open availability are documents that are protected by court order or lawful administrative protocol. Such documents include military discharges, which are not openly accessible to the public. The recording of military discharges is done as a service to members of the United States Armed Forces for easy duplication and retrieval of record if necessary. In such cases, additional information may be required from the researcher prior to viewing or obtaining copies of certain recorded information. Previous methods of storing recorded documents included paper in bound books and microfilm. While microfilm is a vital part of today's long-term storage and preservation of documents, modern technology has increased the efficiency of the recorder's offices by allowing documents to be digitized and recorded in minutes. These documents can be searched and retrieved in seconds for viewing and printing copies as necessary. Although every document may not be digitized, recorders throughout Missouri are continually enhancing the quality of their digital indexes by including additional documents by way of conversion projects. Electronic filing of documents, also known as e-recording, has further increased the efficiency of the Recorder of Deeds office. While e-recording provides a standardized method for tracking the progress of documents throughout the recording process, it also helps by reducing the need for unnecessary trips to and from recorders' offices for companies who handle your important land records documents. E-recording also decreases the time it takes to correct mistakes that may periodically occur in the preparation of documents. In addition, e-recording helps businesses meet requirements regarding turnaround times. This results in faster closing times for buyers and sellers. The Recorders Association of Missouri was founded in 1984. The sole purpose of the organization is to ensure that each recorder of deeds in the state of Missouri remains educated on all aspects of recording law and standardized procedures. The continuing education of the recorders and staff by the association ensures that the citizens of each county are always served in an efficient and courteous manner.